Hello and welcome back to the Cargo Show. In today's vlog, instead of packing for the vacation, we're gonna go do some chores. We're gonna talk about some future cars that are possible for the channel. But it's kind of murky outside, so I'm only taking the GoPro, and this vlog will be on the GoPro in its entirety. Let's go. Battery that was in the GoPro, and that is 2 bars, so let's see how much battery we have. First stop of the day, we're going to Manhattan. That's why we're taking the train. We're gonna go pick up my broken camera from a camera repair shop called Phototech. They quoted me $388 to repair a $500 camera, so I had to decline. And also, let's talk about the first possibility of a new car for the Cargo Show, and that would be the Chevrolet Corvette C5 or C6. Nothing like Z06 or anything, just a plain old vet. That's the first and most affordable option. Those are light American cars and have decent amount of horsepower, so I think they could be a whole lot of fun. And the battery of the GoPro went down to 1 bar. Next stop. Okay, I just got out of Phototech. Picked up my old camera. I was quoted $388 for a $500 camera, and I was told that lenses are expensive. Yeah, hell they are. I also had a nice lunch with my wife, but now we're going back to Queens, get some more batteries for the GoPro, and continue with the future car selections. Okay, we are back in Queens and sitting down in Slate. I had to go back home and change my jacket and my hoodie because they got drenched in Manhattan. Was super downpour. It's also 3 o'clock and it's 3 p.m. and it's super dark. I hate winter weather, but yeah, as I said, I got drenched. I should have probably used umbrella, but as you guys know, common sense and reason are something that is not part of this channel. And speaking of reason and common sense, I did wash the car yesterday and now it's covered in snow and sleet and rain, so common sense out of the window. Next set of cars that I'm interested in and looking forward to searching for in the internet, and I actually did a little research in the morning, are the 2 German super saloons, the C63 AMG from 2009-10 and the BMW M5 E60. The E60 is super cool because it has that V10 engine, and so the problem with both of those is they're rear-wheel drive and it snows here and I have no garage, but what's the problem is also very good because rear-wheel drives are super fun and super cool. So the C63 AMG 6.3 liter engine of AMG cars is bulletproof, so those don't give too much problem, and so is the BMW's E60 V10, and I think those are quite reasonable candidates. Of course I can't afford them to pay them cash, but I can put $5,000 down and finance the rest of the $20,000. That's how much they averagely cost for a good condition E63 or no E63, sorry, C63 or an M5 with reasonably low miles. I think they're around $25,000. Since it's not in the same category but it's about the same price, $25,000, can also buy me a Porsche Cayman, the previous generation. Actually now it has the 718, so 2 generations before that. So that's a also pretty reliable car, and on top of that it's Porsche. I think Supercars of Philadelphia has one of those, if you guys want to take a look at his channel. Another thing, well, let's go do some more chores and we can enter the last car category. Since we already covered the Germans, we're gonna go to the Brits, and after that we're gonna discuss a van. Okay, picked up my laundry. I'm going to pick up my wife's dry cleaners, but I'm going to take advantage of the time spent in the car waiting in traffic to just talk about the next possible option, and that would be, I hope this is better, I turned the light on in the car, that would be the Jaguar F-Type. They have gone down to about 35,000, the cheapest one I saw online today. Of course, if the channel does better, I'm gonna opt for one of the $40,000-$45,000 ones that are actually certified pre-owned and come with a certain warranty. That would probably be like $1,000 month payment, if I'm not mistaken. Depends how numbers work. But that's a certain possibility if I actually get a little more popular and get over the 1,000 subscribers, so I can actually monetize my videos from after February 20th. I would love to have the Jaguar, but right now it's just not possible. Maybe in the future. One more thing we have to talk about, and that is the van. I have one option in mind, and I'm gonna share it with you as soon as I get my wife's dry cleaners.
No, it's good.
Thank you.
And then you...
Alright, I picked up the dry cleaners. It's getting really dark and it's now 4 p.m. but I have the little ambient light on in the car, so I really hope you can see me and the footage is actually usable, because the last part of the possible new things coming on the channel is the van. And so far I've looked at a few really beat up vans online, and I am kind of you know, questioning the reliability of those. So far I have one van in mind, but I do take suggestions if you guys want to point me to something else, and that is the 2000, I think 5.6 Chevy Express 3500, solely because it comes with a 6.6 liter Duramax diesel engine, and I do like diesel, especially for a larger vehicle. I know it's not a truck, but the van could make for some fun conversions, and even like what I'm getting it for, to maybe like sleep over in it, and if I do the right thing and make it nice, I could even camp in it. So yes, let me guys know if you did like today's video. It was not what I intended to. Today we were supposed to be packing for the vacation, but we will do that tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you aren't subscribed. If you like today's little update video, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.